Hello everyone. This is video I'm going to explain practical strategies for teaching vocabulary. Vocabulary plays a very important role in learning English because it helps students understand meaning, express idea, and communicate effective. Today, I will explain 6 practical strategies for teaching vocabulary, which are visual, really, gestures and meaning, translation, definition, and explanation, and word maps. Each strategy will be explained clearly and so supported with examples. Now let's move on to the fifth strategy. 1. Visual. The fifth strategy is visual. Visual review. Today use of picture, image, flashcards, shields, or illustration to teach vocabulary. This strategy helps students understand the meaning of the word by by saying them visually without depending too much on translation. Visuals are very effective because students can create a mental image of, of known words. When students see a picture, they can remember the word more easily and for a longer time. Visuals are especially useful for beginner learners, but they can also help higher level student when learning abstract concepts. Vocabulary examples: mountain. 1. Mountain show with a picture of a mountain. 2. Whisper sound with an image of someone speaking quickly. 3. Beautiful sound with a feature of nature or scanning. By using visual learning, vocabulary becomes more interesting and meaningful. 2. Really. The second strategy is really. Really means using real and physical objects in the classroom to teach vocabulary. Students can see, touch, and sometimes use the object directly. This strategy connects vocabulary with real life experiences, making learning more concrete and memorable. For example, when teaching vocabulary about daily activities or objects, the teacher can bring real items in for the classroom. Vocabulary examples. 1. Book. The teacher saw a real book. 2. Bottle. The teacher brings a bottle. 3. Bag. The teacher saw a school bag. Really helps students understand vocabulary naturally and encourages active practice. 3. Gestures and miming. The third strategy is gestures and miming. Gestures and miming involve using body movements, physical expression, or action to show the meaning of the words. This strategy is closely related to physical activity, which help improve student memory. Gestures and miming are very useful for teaching for adjective and feelings. Vocabulary examples. 1. Run. The teacher pointed to run. 2. Sleep. The teacher acts like sleeping. 3. Heavy. The teacher saw a heavy physical expression. This strategy makes the classroom more fun, reduces student anxiety, and encourages them to practical actively. For translation, the fourth strategy in translation, translator means explaining the meaning of English words by translating them into the students' first language. Although translation should not be enforced, it can be very helpful for difficult or abstract words. Translation helps students understand meaning correctly and accurate and um, accurately express it when visual objects are not effective. Vocabulary example 1. Consequence, rules or effect. 2. Syllabus, a course outline. 3. Confidence, life in oneself. Teacher should use it translate as a support strategy and follow it with example and practice in English. 5. Definition and explanation. The fifth strategy is definition and explanation. This strategy involves giving clear definition, examples, synonym on examples sentences. It's especially useful for intermediate and advanced levels. Definition helps students understand the precise meaning of a word and how it is used in context. Vocabulary example 1. Frog-like. Something that is really broken. 2. Haunts. Someone who always tells the truth. 3. Responsible, having a duty or obligation. Using definition together with example helps students develop their vocabulary knowledge. 6. Word maps. The last strategy is word maps. Word maps are visual organization that show the relationships between a word and together related words. They usually include definitions, synonyms, and antonyms, examples, and related ideas. Word maps help students think deeply about vocabulary and remember words for a longer time. Vocabulary examples